Ragas is an evaluation framework for your retrieval augmented generation pipelines. Ragas is fairly new tool, but already is making quite a noise out there. Ragas offers a specialized framework for evaluating and optimizing RAG pipeline in your LLM applications. This tool provides essential tooling for performance assessment and continuous monitoring, and also can be seamlessly integrated with CI/CD workflows. The good thing about Ragas is that it is not only can be used with OpenAI, but with also other tools like Amazon Bedrock and various others. If you go to their GitHub repo, and I'll share the link in video's description, installation is fairly simple. All you need to do is to just do pip install Ragas, and then you can start using it as per this example if you want to try it out with your OpenAI. But for that, you would need an OpenAI API key, and that would be the paid option. So instead of that, let me show you an example how you can use Ragas with Amazon Bedrock. So this is the code available from their documentation. All they are doing it, they are importing some of the Ragas libraries after installing it. Then here you are specifying your config to connect to AWS account with your AWS CLI profile or your um, anything related where you would need to specify your region, which in this case you can use US East one because that is where Bedrock is available. And if you're not aware what Bedrock is a managed service from Amazon to access various large language models without installing through just an API call. Now, in this case, you can specify any model ID, such as in this case, you can use Anthropic's Claude V2, and then few of the randomness parameters like temperature you can set here, and then you can create the instance of Bedrock service with and store that model here in Bedrock by specifying the profile and other stuff you have mentioned in this config. Once that's done, then you can um, call this Bedrock model from Ragas by LangChain LLM, and then you can bash the new Ragas LLM instance. Now, in this case, we are just initializing and changing the embedding here by using the above credentials, and then we can also use embeddings like this. Once that's done, you can replace the LLM with this new one which you have just created and iterate through the matrix, and then the evaluation starts here. All you need to do is to import that Ragas with evaluate and then call this function evaluate with this fika eval baseline. And as I mentioned above, if you see this array above, these are the metrics we are going for: faithfulness, answer relevancy, context recall, context precision, and harmfulness. And that is where it is iterating through, and then we are evaluating on the basis of this matrix. One thing, if you are using Google Colab or any Jupyter notebook, only then use this function. Otherwise, you can omit this importing from here. Once you run it, it will be evaluating it on all of these metrics as you can see on this output, and then there you have it, your score. So this will be the output, something like this, where you have your question, your answer with the context, and then the score on faithfulness, answer relevancy, and then so on and so forth on all the metrics which I showed you above. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Try it out and let me know how it goes. If you are stuck or facing any issues, let me know. And I'll be creating a video around it too very soon where I will actually show you the demo of how that works in Amazon Bedrock or even in Vertex CI from Google Cloud Platform. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.